All right, this move is called Unwind, and it's super simple. You simply drop your right, you rock in, and reach around her back as you rock. And girls, you don't want to step too far, because if you get in too close, you can't reach all the way around. So typically, if I'm doing it, I kind of step at her so she can't step too close, because if I go this way and she thinks I'm swinging right up next to her, I can't reach around. So I kind of go right at her, right there, and switch her right hand into my right hand. So right hand to right hand behind her back. Do that one more time. Simply pull her in, reach around her back, switch hands, right hand, shake behind the back. Then just like you're starting a lawnmower, you're going to pull. Go up over her head and stop. Okay, so you've got the hand behind the back. Go ahead and pull over the head and stop. And I was kidding about the lawnmower thing. Go easy. Her hand's behind her back. So just a nice, gentle pull one more time. So right hand around the back, a nice gentle pull, up over the head, stop. Now the next thing you do is called a prep. A prep tells the girl which direction she's going to spin or what's coming next. You always prep the opposite direction of the spin. So we stopped right here. She is going to be spinning to her right, my left. So I'm going to pull her in towards me just a teeny bit for the prep, and then I'm going to push off. So always remember, the prep is always the opposite direction of the spin. So we just stopped. I pull her towards me a teeny bit. That means she's spinning that way. Push off. She spins 360 degrees. High five right here with the left hand. Push off again. High five with the right hand. Now the third time, when you're right hand to right hand, girls, you're going to leave that right hand out. And I've seen it way too often where she doesn't leave it out, and that guy will just spin her across the entire dance floor forever. I mean, he's just so excited about how fast you can spin. He's just going crazy. So, third time, right hand to right hand, you're going to leave it out, girls. And he's going to see it coming. He'll stick out his left hand, and he'll pick it up. Okay? So one more time. Right hand, reach around her back, switch, right hand shake, pull, up over the head, stop in front, pull her towards you just a teeny bit, push off, left hand up, push off, right hand up. This time, girls, right hand out. Gentlemen, stick out your left, catch it as it comes around. Perfect. There is one other way to get into that, and I'm going to show you that real quick. I prefer this way, but there is one other way. It's a little bit trickier, but it comes in handy because there's a dip that we will combine with this move later. But you do a butterfly like we did before, slide down and grab her wrist, go over the head. And this is a little tricky right here. You want to pull her towards you just to get your elbow up in the air. And then right there, you're going to point your elbow down at the ground, and that's going to turn her arm behind her back to right there. And that's right where we started with the other one. We let go and reached around, same spot, and you just pull and go up over the head and stop, prep, spin. Okay, so let's work on that intro, though. So we did a butterfly to right here, slide down, grab the wrist, over the head. And right here, a lot of people point their elbow towards the ground. It doesn't work very well with her arm. It kind of hurts her. That's why I say always pull her towards you a little bit, because that straightens her arm, bends yours, and that puts her arm behind her back way easier. Let's do that one more time. So we butterfly, grab the wrist, over the head. Now see how her arm's bent and mine's straight? If she doesn't step back like that, it's going to hurt like heck if I just go like that. So I'm going to pull just a little bit to make sure her arm's straight, point my elbow down. Her arm goes behind her back. And right there, I just pull her right back around, over the head, stop, prep, spin, spin, spin. Left hand out for the guys, right hand out for the girls, and you're done.